Okay, let us learn about drawing charts here. So I have a region, there are 5 regions across 4 months. I would like to draw a column chart. In normal terms, we call it bar chart, Excel call it column chart. So I want to draw a column chart, a simple 2D column. That's it. It will give me a column chart immediately. So all I have to do it is highlight my data, and then I just have to select the data, the chart type that I want. It will give me a column chart automatically. So in the x-axis, I could see here various regions, and I have 4 bars for every region. First one representing January, February, March, and April. If I want to switch, meaning I would like to have here month and I want to have here region, should I retype this data? Not necessary. You can just click at switch row column. It will switch it for you automatically. There are various type of ready-made layouts here available. You could choose any of them. Let's say you prefer this, or another one. You could just try it. Nothing would change. You could always bring back to the original one. So you can have a chart together, even together with the data below, or this type, or whichever type that you prefer. So let's bring it to the original one, which was this. So we are comparing here month across regions at this moment. So the chart looks good, but it is little too small for me. Can I make it bigger? We can make it bigger. The next one, I would like to have the legend right below, not over here on the right side. Can I keep it below the chart? I prefer it that way, possible. Just under layout, legend, bottom, show legend at bottom. It will go down to the bottom. You could do a lot of options here. One is the chart title. Above the chart, which is this, you have it already, which you can change. Sales data. So I want to have here a message over here saying that it is a sales in, let's say, thousands of dollars, possible. And the chart is selected. Axis title, primary vertical axis title, or rotated title. So I could type here sales in thousands. Enter, automatically it will be rotated. And quite a lot of things you could do it. For example, data label, outside end. So you would see the numbers here itself. The data table which you have seen before. Show data table. You want to have the table below, you can have it. So let's say you don't want the data table, you want a chart this way, it's possible to have it. So I've drawn one chart here. So I want to make it smaller to show you. And the chart is copyable, easily copyable. So this is a chart I can just copy. I'm just pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V here, paste it here. So I get the same chart one more time here. I want to change this chart to a different type. I can change it to a line chart. Data may be too close, but don't bother about it. How do you change from chart from one type to another is fairly easy. Very quickly you'll be able to change. And then you prefer not to have the numbers here, you can off them. So from one type to another type, you could easily create charts. How many charts you can create for the same data? As many as you prefer. There is no limit to it. For example, you want to prepare a pie chart for the sales of January. So we have selected January. Under insert, it is pie chart. We want this type of pie. We'll get a pie chart immediately. So in a pie chart, you can let the computer to do the calculation for you. Data label, more data label options. You could put there percentage, and you could put there category name, outside and let's take a look what they are close. So you'll get a percentage and category name there. So in the category name there, this legend not necessary. You could just go to legend and off it. So you will get a pie chart. So let's say you are the manager for the central region. Your region has done 33%. You would like to explore and show it to your boss, your piece of the cake. So you click once here, you get a dot in all the sectors. Click one more time, you get a dot only around your sector. Just hold the mouse, pull it out slightly. So you can explore to give emphasis that boss, I've done a lot of sales in my region and so on. So this chart, we can keep it one side. Let me go back to the data here. There is also other type of charts. Let's take a look here. We have selected this and we have here a line chart here. Line chart here. Okay, cancel first. Let me just the correct range from here to here. I want a line chart. Is a data range where I want the spark lines to be printed. I want the spark lines to be here. Okay. So notice now there is a chart here immediately given it to you. So that shows 39, then go up to 52, go down to 50, go down to 39. I think if you draw a bar chart, it would be more interesting for you to see. It's also on the column chart. You can also put win-loss chart, column chart. The location range is this range. Let's get a column chart. All these things can be formatted easily. A lot of formatting options. Then I'll be able to format them whichever way you prefer it to be. So when you change number, does it change? Yes, it does. That is the main thing you should check on Excel every time. So when you change the number, notice all the chart it gets changed. Each and every chart it will get it changed. Let me change it back to 39 now. Okay, that's about charts.